Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those opportunities with you. And before we move on to the details, I would request everyone of you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opportunity is for senior front-end tester, and the timings are 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. The experience required is 5 to 6 years. So the responsibilities would be to perform OTT applications testing across Android, mobile TV, iOS mobile, smart TV, web, and Apple TV. Design and execute test strategies, test plans, and test cases for multi-platform OTT applications. Collaborate with developers and product teams to identify, track, and resolve defects. Ensure high-quality releases with functional regression and performance testing. So interested candidates can share your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a company which is looking for QA professional, and they are looking for someone who is having 1 to 2 years of experience. And the location is Kochi, Kerala. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. would be the work timings, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. And these are the requirements: 1 to 2 years of experience in QA software testing, strong documentation and structured testing skills, knowledge of QA concepts and SDLC, SDLC, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then you can join EPAM Systems for a face-to-face drive at the Pune office on September 27th, 2025. And the position available is for Java automation tester. And they are looking for someone who is having proficiency in UI automation with Java and Selenium, essential expertise in API automation using REST assured, experience in database testing, familiarity with CI/CD processes, experience level is 10 to 15 years, and notice period is 0 to 30 days only. And you can forward your CV to this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer 1 to 5 years, and the location is Bangalore, work from office. And the requirement is for someone who has got hands-on experience in Selenium, Java, API automation, REST assured, and BDD. Location is Bangalore, work from office, and experience is 1 to 5 years. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Then there is a opening at Capgemini, and the location is Kolkata. The designation is team manager, and the experience required is 9 to 12 years. So if you are interested and if you are eligible, you can share your updated resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for SDET, and the location is Bangalore, and they are looking for immediate joiners. And you can share your profile with the subject line SDET to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA manager, and the requirement is for a visionary QA manager to lead the quality assurance efforts. So if you have 12 to 14 years of progressive QA experience, and you have got experience in mentoring teams and leading the teams, then this is your opportunity. So they are looking for 12 to 14 years of experience. 3+ years in leadership should be there. Expertise in both automation, manual testing with hands-on tools like Selenium, Playwright, Postman, Jira, and location is Pune. And the schedule would be Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.